Alright y'all, so today we're going to be using my Innova 3150 to check out a check engine light that I have. Is my battery dead? Alright, so back to the program. I have a check engine light and it's saying engine inspection required. The engine is there, so the OBD2 port is right by your little trunk popper, gas popper thingy. Lights up. So I've had it hooked up to the Kia and to my truck, my wife's car, my truck, and my mother-in-law's car. So we're gonna do new vehicle. 2014 Mazda 6 4-cylinder 2.5 automatic. Yes. We have a P011A, get a technician, blah 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 blah, coolant, engine coolant temperature sensor, severity 2 of 3, repair immediately if drivability issues are present, threat to essential system components if not repaired as soon as possible, blah blah blah, engine coolant temperature. All right, so luckily and unluckily I know why that code is there, and let me show you why that code is there. That code is there because this, if you haven't guessed already, this is what is remaining of my water pump belt. This is Gates, by the way, with about 50, maybe 60,000 miles, broke for absolutely no reason. So you probably can't see here, but there's no water pump belt down there going to the water pump. Now, if you remember about, I don't know, 10,000 miles ago, the serpentine belt made by Gates broke on me as well. So over here I have Mazda OEM tensioner. Might as well replace it. That might be the next thing to go bad, is that Gates tensioner. I have the Mazda OEM V-belt, and I have the Mazda OEM stretch to fit belt. So basically, I was driving home, light on the dash popped up, but I can insert the video of it showing that cooler temperature was hot. Man, what is going on now? Turn the car off, let it sit for a second, about 10 minutes, and then we got it pushing. But yeah, coolant was overflowing, so I'm sure I need to put some coolant in the car. So yeah, the next video is going to be me just replacing that again, that I just replaced with Gates stuff a year ago. So I'm going to do that and just do some checking under the car while I'm under there, look at my axles, all that fun stuff, because anytime you're under your car, you should be looking at stuff while you're there to do your preventative maintenance. But there's no way you can prevent a 50,000 mile, 60,000 mile belt from killing itself like that one did, for absolutely no reason whatsoever. I'm just glad I didn't do it when I drove 5 hours, 400 something miles to Hilton Head Island for our little family vacation, because that would have put a little damp in things. But yeah, stay tuned where I'm gonna install the Mazda OEM stuff. We will inspect the Gate stuff when we take it off, because the belt that's on there, the serpentine belt that's on there, is probably gonna be on there for probably, I don't know, maybe 20, 30,000 miles, so we can see how that one is wearing as well. But yeah, going to be doing just some basic car stuff, and in the upcoming video, you see the factory grill there. I actually have some real carbon fiber slats that I'm going to be installing, and this is real carbon fiber. You can see the weave and everything there. This is not a carbon fiber wrap. This is actual real carbon fiber. So I will be getting rid of the Mazda emblem in the grill, and then basically the slats will go on each bar on the grill. So that'll be coming up in a video. And then after that, I'll probably do a walk around. But yeah, let me get this in the garage and let's get working on it, get it back on the road, because Bertha guzzles gas and Maxine is a whole lot better. So I'll see y'all in the next one where we get Maxine back up and running. I got to get my car moved because it is ants all over it. Is that a dead bug on my car? That's what they're after. A dead bug. Yep. Got to get my car moved. So until next time, keep an eye on your car. Sometimes you need to go OEM and not aftermarket. So lessons learned. My wheels are nasty. Probably got watermarks on them, water spots on them. I need to clean the car. I don't know, guys. High mileage cars, stand up. Until next time, peace.